Okay, what we have here today is 1980 HJ45 Land Cruiser Troopy. We'll do a quick walk around showing you all the electronic work, show you the motor, all those sort of things. So let's get started. First of all, as a diesel, you do have glow plugs. So you put the keys in ignition, turn it backwards, wait for the glow plug, which you'll see glowing in there. You can let it go about 15 seconds. Okay, that should be about good enough. Let's start this diesel up. You can see all the gauges work as they're all coming up to speed. Let's get a look at this diesel motor. This is the 1H Toyota diesel. It's completely gone through, completely rebuilt. The injector pump. It's all working. For that, you don't need the motor going. To kill the motor in any diesel Toyota, you have a pull plug. Just like that. Alright, so let's turn the hazard lights on. So they're working fine. Let's go to the front. Alright, now let's do the headlights. First, the running lights. See the lights on the dash are working. We have the running lights in the rear and the running lights in the front. So, as you can see, let's do headlights. I don't have a partner here today to be able to show you the bright flashers, but they work as well. We also have the windshield wipers and the sprayer. For that, I think I need a key on, so I will turn the wipers on. Well, we'll spray. You can see that at the hood up, so hopefully you saw that spray. You hit the dash. Okay. We also have the dome light in here. And I'll cover the dash lights in just a second. Also wanted to show you the trouble light, which has got a very long cord on it. You can see it plugs in right inside the glove box. I don't know if you can see that. Put the light up there. It's got to plug it in there. It also all works. Comes unplugged. We have fresh air vent. We have cigarette lighter, which also obviously can be used for your 12-volt accessories such as cell phone chargers. See, it's getting hot. And I didn't show you, but the brake light also works. Let's turn the ignition on. You can see the brake is set, and therefore the brake light is on. Horn works. And that's about it on the electrical. Alright, I don't know if earlier you were able to see the sprayer, so I'm going to show the windshield wipers again. We'll turn the windshield wipers on by pulling, and You can turn the knob and you can see we got plenty of spray coming right out of that